So today we are going to see about the statement. The statement is nothing but the each and every instruction of a line in the program which we are given. It can be defined as an assignment statement or print statement, whatever the instruction we are giving inside the Python program that we are giving as an statement. And the tuple assignment is nothing but it is set of variables I'm going to assign to the set of values and assign to the variables. For example, see the program. In the program we have to swap A and B. The A is equal to 10, the B is equal to 20. So for swapping it, I'm going to use another temporary variable as a temp. So I'm going to define temp is equal to A. So the A value will be stored in the temp. Then the next line I'm going to give the instruction A is equal to B. That means the B value has been stored in the A. That means the temp is now 10 and A is 20. Now I'm going to assign the temp value into the B. So I had given the program like B is equal to temp. So temp is nothing but your 10. So the 10 will be stored in your B. So the tuple assignment, this assignment will solve the swapping of your A and B. So now the value of A is 20 and the B is equal to 10. The values between the A and B has been swapped in between them. Next, we are going to see about an precedence of operators. In the Python program, they had support a large number of operators like assignment operator, arithmetic, then Boolean, like that. It will present a lot number of operators. So whenever I'm going to examine any expression or I want to solve any expression which consists of parentheses, operators, then variables, integers and all, then I have to find a way for it. For that they had created a rule of precedence. The rule of precedence is following the acronym PMDAS. It is nothing but the P is represent your parenthesis, E is an exponential, M is in multiplication, D is a division, A is an addition and subtraction. So whenever we are giving any expression in this form only, we are going to solve that expression in there. For example, see the first one. 2 multiplication in the parenthesis of 3 minus 1, the what is the value. So first thing I have to solve the parenthesis. So in the parenthesis 3 minus 1, the value will be the 2. Then after that there is no explanation in this, then I'm having the multiplication. So after the parenthesis I have to go for the multiplication. Now the multiplication is between 2 into 2 because 3 minus 1 I has been solved already. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 is to 2 is 4. And then see the next one. I'm having the two parentheses. So the first thing I have to make it 1 plus 1. Then again 5 minus 2. So the 1 plus 1 is 2 and the 5 minus 2 is 3. Then I have a double multiplication here. So inside the parenthesis I have to make that first one. So 2 into 3. So 5 minus 2 and then again 2. I am having a double multiplication here. That means the power. The double multiplication symbol is nothing but your power. So 2 power of 3 is 8. Then the next one is about the exponential. So whenever I am giving an exponential value, I have to think about the highest presence. So the first thing I have to make the exponent. 2 power of 1, then again plus 1. 2 power of 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So the answer will be 3, not the 4. Again the negative exponential, 1 power of 3 I have to take it. So 3 into 1 power of 3 is 3. So like this I have to solve the precedence of operators. Like then again the next is multiplication division, have the same precedence but higher than your addition subtraction. So whenever we are following the parenthesis exponential, then the next thing we have to talk about the multiplication, then only we have to go for the division. So these are the operators, precedence of operators should be followed here. In this table we have described the different of operators available here, and these are the operators has been supported by the Python programming. For example, the first one is an exponential raised to the power. The next one is the complement, unary, plus, minus. Then multiplication, division, modulo and float division. Addition and subtraction, leftwise and rightwise bit bitwise and bitwise exclusive or, comparison parameters, equality operators, assignment operators, identity operators, membership operators, and logical operators. Thank you.